What's going on there, YouTubers and video watchers and people just coming checking us out? It's Big Sammy again, guys. I'm riding into 2015 Chevy Volt. Just giving you guys a little update on it. You know, we've had the car for a little over a year and a half or so, maybe 2 years now. Anyways, we got 71,971 miles, almost 72,000. We're going down the interstate in South Kakalaki. Speed limit's about 60 miles an hour. We're doing 59. And the reason why I'm doing 59 is because my green ball, that is happy and green and swirling. So we're just doing a little update for you guys. I had somebody comment on the Chevy Volt, and there's been some questions about, you know, this one versus the Mercedes. This is, of course, everybody knows that watches the channel, check this out, or checking out Chevy Volts. It is a plug-in hybrid. So you have electric range and then the gas range too. So when the electric is out, like right there after 16 miles, and we run out, guess what? We still got 130. Well, we're going to have more than that when you get a bunch of gas in the tank, but I only run my gas about, you know, half a tank, quarter of a tank, keep the weight down on the car, get a little bit better mileage. There's our mileage that we've been doing so far. So by the time we run this little 16 miles out, you're roughly going to be about 42 miles for the charge. Like I said, a lot of that is based on if you're running air conditioning, which we are right now. It's not really hot today, about 78 miles. And then of course it all depends on if you're doing some regen, which right now we're getting ready to come to this stoplight here. We regenning right there. You see that 20. We regen, put it in low. I'll show you low right there. Excuse the mess in the car too, by the way. I'm going to, you know, dropping the grandkids off and my kids off, and gonna go and do you know, do some work on the car, clean it up and whatnot. Some big old bug just, you know, killed himself on the thing there. I don't know, it's pretty bad gut bomb there. But anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick video, if you will. Like I said, kind of went over all the stuff that, you know, most Chevy Volt owners know already, or people that are looking, you may know a little bit. I'm just letting you guys see, like, how they when they have 71,000 or 80,000 miles to them, or getting close to, you know, a little bit over the, you know, 60,000 mark, how they are. This one here, just want to let you guys know that it does have a new battery in it, so our range is probably a little bit better than most people's on this year age, because of the fact that it does have a new traction battery, the big battery in the car that was put in roughly about 6 months ago, I guess, with no cost, because we ran it through the Voltec warranty. If you guys are looking for one of these cars, I would say get one within, you know, the Voltec warranty. You know, get a, you know, like right now, if you're looking at them at 2022, I'd say try to get one that's at least a 2015 and maybe a 16, or newer, of course, depending on how much money you want to spend on in your wallet. But like I said, this one here we bought last year. I figured I would get a 2015 because that would still give us 2 years of traction battery warranty, and it worked out well because, of course, we had low propulsion on the car, and it was running on the motor all the time. Took it in, they looked at it and they said, you know, we'll change the traction battery out with no cost. And now we got a new battery. So, you know, we're planning to keep this car for a while. These cars gets really long service. Like I said, we've had it for 2 years. Let me see if I can help y'all out here. Let's see, let the oil remaining life there. So probably at the end of this year, it's 33%. We really run a lot of this on the electric. Like even right now, I mean, I'm almost to the house. I've got probably another 5 miles to go or whatnot. So the motor won't even come on. So yeah, you can go at least 2 years. You know, like I said, depending on how much you drive it, of course. But if you're using the gas motor, in the electric motor, pretty regular, like if you got like 14 mpg right there. Oh, we're in the wrong lane. 14 mpg on your car, you know, you're probably using a little bit of the motor, and of course you're going to have to charge the battery a little bit more than you would if you were just running around on electric all the time. But anyways, like I said, this is just a quick video just for you guys to drop by and look and drive with us a little bit and see how it is. Also, I want to show you all how quiet it is. I'll turn everything down and kind of let you listen. Now this is kind of a rough road, but you guys can hear how quiet this is. All that squeaking and stuff is really like my seat belt and the fact that I've got my cell phone holder and this, you know, kind of grinding into the seat. It's a quiet car, nice. If you're looking for one that's roughly like this, I'd say get the higher trim level. Like this is what they would call a premium in the 2017 because it's got everything on it. You know, it's got the Navi and everything. It's got the Bose surround sound system like right there. So I'd say if you were going to get one, I mean, if you like tunes and stuff like that, I'd get the Bose surround sound system. It sounds good. Anyways, I appreciate y'all stopping by. Thanks for checking out our car. Let me give you a quick pan around. Look at the leather seats, look nice. And yeah, if you're looking for a Chevy Volt, man, go out and find you one. All the Volt owners usually have a really good, you know, I guess performance and you know, longevity out of them. So yeah, they work good, last a long time, and they're very affordable. You don't have to spend a lot of money on brakes, oil changes, all that stuff in a gas car. And you can tell how many gas stations we just passed coming here if you were paying attention. We don't have to stop at very many of them. All right, appreciate y'all. Thanks. Like, subscribe, share my video. If you got a YouTube that you watch this and you know, give a shout out to us, we can share some videos with the people that are subscribers. We appreciate that. And it's all about helping each other and making informed decisions. We'll catch y'all later. Big Sammy, peace.